As the saying goes, a cluttered desk is a sign of a cluttered mind. A clean and organized workspace has long been associated with increased productivity and improved mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, where multitasking and deadline-driven tasks are commonplace, the importance of maintaining a clean workspace cannot be overstated. In this video, we will delve into the numerous productivity benefits that arise from keeping your workspace tidy, touching upon relevant research and studies, as well as exploring the psychological and physical impacts of a clean environment. We will also provide practical tips to help you maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Improved focus. A clean workspace allows for better focus and concentration by eliminating distractions. Clutter and disorganization can make it difficult to find essential items or focus on the task at hand. According to a study conducted by researchers at Princeton University, visual clutter in one's environment competes for attention, thereby decreasing performance and increasing stress. By maintaining a clean workspace, you allow your mind to focus on the task at hand without being sidetracked by unnecessary clutter. Reduced stress. Mess and disarray can contribute to increased stress levels. A study published in the journal Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that people who described their homes as cluttered or full of unfinished projects were more likely to experience elevated levels of cortisol, a stress hormone. By maintaining a clean workspace, you create a more calming and stress-free environment, leading to improved productivity and overall well-being. Increased efficiency. A clean and organized workspace allows you to work more efficiently by reducing the time spent searching for items or documents. A study by the National Association of Professional Organizers found that the average person spends roughly 4.3 hours per week searching for misplaced items. By having a designated place for everything and keeping your workspace organized, you can save valuable time and increase your overall efficiency. Psychological and physical impacts. The psychological and physical benefits of a clean workspace are intertwined. A well-organized and clutter-free environment can lead to improved mental well-being, increased motivation, and better decision-making. In addition, a clean workspace can also reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall physical health by reducing exposure to dust, allergens, and other contaminants. Practical tips for maintaining a clean workspace. 1. Set a schedule. Dedicate time each day or week to declutter and organize your workspace. Regular maintenance will prevent clutter from piling up. 2. Designate a place for everything. Establish a specific location for every item in your workspace. This will help you quickly locate items and maintain organization. 3. Keep a minimalist approach. Only keep essential items within reach, and store or discard unnecessary items to reduce visual clutter. 4. Organize your digital workspace. Just as your physical workspace should be organized, ensure your computer files and documents are well organized and easy to locate. 5. Clean as you go. Make it a habit to clean up after completing a task or project. This will help maintain a clean workspace and prevent clutter from accumulating. In conclusion, maintaining a clean and organized workspace is essential for maximizing productivity and improving mental and physical well-being. By eliminating distractions, reducing stress, and increasing efficiency, a clean workspace can lead to better focus and overall work performance. By incorporating the practical tips outlined above, you can create a workspace that promotes inspiration, motivation, and success.